Good day, everybody. I'm Franco Groenewald, and I'm going to talk to you about GoodX and Groenewald theatre syncing. I just want to let you all know, GoodX and Groenewald is two different products that are designed to communicate with each other. Both products is made by the company you love, GoodX. So, why did we create Groenewald? We had to communicate between team members wherever they are. We want to save time for people and need for real-time updating of theatre lists and reducing human error. We don't want you to capture a list, tune to another system that's just going to take your time and just going to waste your time. We just want to make it faster and quicker for you. Also, you don't have to play detective on someone else's handwriting when creating your theatre list. So, let's do a little bit of a recap of how to create a theatre list. We always recommend that hospitals create the entry list. The person who creates the list should be a GoodX web user, and then when you've created a list, then automatically will be made. So, when you fill in your theatre list and you get to add a practitioner, you will have two choices, external source and a manual. So let's add the external source. So external source is populated from the MedPages database, where you will be able to pick quickly and efficiently the practitioner you want. If you add manually, please always remember to put in the email. Otherwise, no notification will be sent out to the person, to the practitioner. So here's a completed list so far. We have entered the numbers diaries, the date, the time, and the end time, and the facility with our practitioners, and I've even chosen a time slot cover for us. After we've completed, our theatre list will be updated in our GoodX, and also our diary will be updated. So but what if? What if you want to send out add a practitioner who's not a GoodX client? Or what if the hospital wants to share to a whole team that is not a GoodX client? This is where Groenewald can help you. Welcome to Groenewald. What is Groenewald? Groenewald is a free portal for GoodX web clients to be able to share their scripts, referral letters, and now even a theatre list with operation to non-GoodX web clients. It's likely for you to create for a non-practitioner, non-client, a Groenewald account. All you're going to need is a practitioner number and a council number, but today we will not be needing that. The benefits of Groenewald. Groenewald empowers you to be able to communicate and share things like the theatre list to non-GoodX web clients. We saw the gap, and we want to bridge that gap between GoodX web clients and non-clients. What's nice about Groenewald? It can be accessed from anywhere, any place with the internet connection. And then that empowers you to be able to create an operation and update and edit the theatre list. So just a few scenarios. So let's say we have, just go one back. Let's say we have two GoodX clients. The one is the hospital, the other one is maybe the surgeon. The Groenewald can operate as a middleman between the two as well. Can operate between the two as well. Then. This means that you can share your list and update everything very quickly. But also, let's say we have just the hospital of GoodX and a surgeon anesthesiologist is both Groenewald users. Still, they can communicate with each other and everything will be updated and kept up to date and synced. So in other words, we will be able to have a mismatch of our theatre team between the GoodX clients and Groenewald users, which will just empower you to be quicker with everything. So let's start again with this completed theatre list. So when we complete this, our diary, as we know, will be synced, the hospital, surgeon, and anesthesiologist. But now let's say one of these is not on GoodX. So that practitioner will receive a notification email informing them of the newly created theatre list We'll inform them of the date, the start time, and the end time, and there will be a link to the Grand Exchange Theatre View list. Please always remember that only a surgeon can create a new operation and has all the rights of editing and updating this list. Anesthesiologists cannot add operation, but they can view and edit all of the anesthesiologist fields and codes. After the new operation has been added, a notification email will be then sent out to all relevant parties, always keeping an update what is happening on the list. So, let's add operation. As you can see here, sorry guys, apologies. As you can see here, we can put in all the details and codes for operation and the times. We can also add images and notes of the operation for the people. So when we've added the new operation, our theatre list will be updated and our GoodX web theatre diary will be updated. So whenever you do anything then from there on, everything will always be updated and synced through to Grand Exchange and with your GoodX web. So when I update my GoodX website, my Grand Exchange will be updated. When I update my Grand Exchange, my GoodX web will be updated. And that is how Grand Exchange can help you with your theatre list syncing and just empower you to be quicker and more efficient in the future. Then also, please remember we have a learning portal that is for free for our clients, and everything of our theatre management system is on here. Thank you so much for joining me on this. Yes, sir.